Call access app which is developed by using Flutter application. This is the code how it works. At the beginning of our code we import two packages, Flutter material dot and call log. This package provide essential tools for building user interfaces and accessing call logs in Flutter applications. Next we have main function. This is the entry point of our Flutter application. Inside main we call run app, call log app, which starts our application and tells it to run the call log app widget. This is the main function. And next the call log app class is where the magic happens. It is a stateless widget, meaning it does not hold any state. It overrides the build method. See, here we can see overrides the build method, which runs off UI for our application. Next material app, which within the build method we return a material app widget. Material app is fundamental widget in Flutter that provides several features of building material design applications. Here we set off title of our app, call log app, and hide the debug banner with debug show checked mode banner false, and a scaffold. Inside material app we define a scaffold widget. A scaffold is a layout structure for the basic material design visual layout structure of an app. It provides default app bar, title and a body. Next, app banner. Within the scaffold we specify an app bar widget. App bar represents the app bar at the top of the scaffold. We set it title to call log access and customize its style with a blue background color and white text color, bold font and font size of 21. Next, feature builder. Feature builder, the most interesting part begins with the feature builder widget. This widget helps us to handle asynchronous tasks and display different UI based on the future state. We call log.get to asynchronously fetch call logs. Next to builder function. Inside the builder function of feature builder, we handle different cases. If the snapshot is in a waiting state, we display a circular progress indicator to indicate loading. If there is an error, we show an error message. Otherwise, we display the call logs using a list view builder. This is the list view builder. So list view builder creates a scrollable list of widgets lazily based on the underlying data source. Here we iterate through the list of call log entries and create a list for each entry. This is the work of list view builder widget. Next, date formatting. This is the date time formatting. Before displaying each call log entry, we format its time into readable date and time format. We check if the timestamp is not null. Then we convert it to the datetime object and format it accordingly. We also pad single digit values with leading zeros for consistency. And next, list style. List style. Finally, for each call log entry, we create a list style widget. List style represents a single fixed height row that typically contains some text as well as leading and trailing icons. We display the caller's name as unknown and the number, phone number, and the formatted date and time, and the duration of the call in seconds. And that's it. We have discussed each line of code in our Flutter application for accessing call logs. That's it, guys. This is the working of how our app records the call log access and it gives the timestamps and numbers and names. See, this is our mobile application. In this we have to run the application. We have selected the device Pixel 4 API 30 mobile and we are running the device. It takes a moment to run the application. So before going to directly into our project, first we have taken example. See, this is the phone app which consists of user contact details. Firstly, we have select a contact number, which any number from our contacts. Let's say select a number from the contacts. I am calling to the this number. Here I am waiting for some time, like just 10 seconds only. Let's see how the our app works from this phone app. How it collects the name, mobile number and the timestamp from the phone app through the call log access. Now I have disconnected the call. Let's see. This is our app. This is call log app which we have developed. Now see, this app consists of the timestamp and the details which we have developed contacted now only. This is the process of how the app works. See, this is the name, and this is the time, exact 15 seconds we have, and this is the process how it works.